Hey guys! Welcome to our channel CJ Dropshipping. When the time this video released, factory in China have all closed. You may wondering, factory are closed and available logistics are limited. I probably should press the post button for my business. Why CJ still keep releasing product recommendation videos? Our customer ain't get it anyway. I'm going to tell you guys that's not true. Under such precarious condition, many dropshippers stop advertising. But you are still there, maybe you will have unexpected gains. That's why I will present you guys 9 innovative locally stored products from CJ China warehouses. Please pay attention to this video, make sure watch until the end, cause it might save your urgent needs. Before we jump into the content, please smash the like to help out our channel and hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to ring the bell so you won't miss any latest dropshipping tips and product recommendations. Floating ball shooting game. The first product is a floating ball shooting game. By putting the balls on the corresponding grips, then turn on the switch. The balls will float in the air. Then you can take the gun, start the game, and aim for it. Since it is made with plastic, parents won't worry about kids getting hurt while playing. It is a creative way to promote family bonding and reduce stress. Also can be used as a warm-up toy for friends reunion. It is suitable for toy niche, gift niche, and party niche. We currently have 277 units in the China warehouse, and the product price is $5.80. The total dropshipping price is $23.15 by CJ Packet Liquid. Since the product is stored in our warehouse, the processing time will be extremely short, and we will arrange for parcel to ship out in 24 hours. Wi-Fi Garage Door Controller. The Wi-Fi Garage Door Controller is a problem-solving product that connects well with smart home applications like Alexa, Google Home. After installation the monitor and sensor on the garage door and connecting with the app, you can simply close and open the garage door by voice control, time control, one-key control, and remote control. There is no need to run up and down when you forgot to close the garage door. Even when you're at work, you can effectively detect whether someone breaks into your home through the garage. These products cost $14.52 and the total dropshipping price is $22.87 to the USA by CJ Packet Sensitive. And we currently have 95 units in the CJ warehouses. This product's target audience can be people who own a smart home system or concerned about home security. Coffee Craving Pan. The kitchen niche is trending in Q1 since the second wave of pandemic and the gift season. These products have 501 units stocked in the CJ China warehouses and it only costs $2. If we plus the USA's shipping cost, the total dropshipping price is $6.27 by CJ Packet Liquid US, which is still lower than $10. This product is a savior for people who have no hand-eye coordination. With these products, everyone could be a barista or patissier. Press gently on the one end of the pan body, open the lid, put cinnamon powder or other selected powder into the pan holder. Then cover the lid and press the button to start drawing on a latte or other bakery. 5 colors are available: pink, red, green, white, and yellow. It is suitable for the kitchen niche or gift niche. Portable LED makeup mirror. This product is a combination of an LED makeup mirror and a wireless charger. There are always many items in girls' bag like a mirror, cosmetic, oversized power banks, etc. But with this product, we don't have to bring that many items. Just one mirror saves so much space. The LED effect can better touch up makeup, used as a fill light at selfie time, and when you need a charger, it can turn to a wireless charger. Certificated by Qi Standard. Perfect for beauty niche or phone accessory niche. It has 102 units stocked in CJ China warehouses, and each product costs $8.32. It currently has 2 color options available, pink and red. Baby head pillow. This is an anti-fall cushion for infant and toddler, designed in angel style or bee style. Backpack style, baby can wear it all the day. The soft and fluffy design make the baby more adorable even looks like the real angel fall to the earth. Except for the look, the ergonomic shape can well ensure the baby's head safety and provide a gentle neck support. It's suitable when a baby is sitting in a stroller, car, airplane, etc. It's suitable for baby from 4 to 18 months, a perfect gift for a baby shower or birthday. It currently on sale costs from $1.02 to $1.30 and has 28 units in our China warehouses. If you're interested in this product, hurry up your time before it sells out. I've put all the product links in the description section, don't forget to check it out. Household niche, especially small electronic applicants, are trending in Q1. The next coming two products are under this category. They are cost-effective and have large inventories in our China warehouses. There are portable handheld steam iron and a portable car vacuum cleaner. The portable handheld steam iron has purple and blue two color options, come with one base, one cap, one plush brush. It can quickly iron the clothes wrinkles. After changing the brush head, you can also remove the pad here from the clothes. This is a must-have product for traveler. It costs $11.09 per product, and we have 269 items in stock. For the vacuum cleaner, it has 208 units in stock and only costs $3.57. The total dropshipping price is $16.33 by CJ Packet sensitive to the USA. I strongly believe this price among the car vacuum cleaner is quite competitive. A lot of margin gap left. Let's check on the products. It has a strong suction capacity, can even lift a phone. The products come with one regular head and one brush head that can effectively clean up all kinds of dust and debris hidden in the car, even during the water stains. It has three colors available: black, orange, and blue. If you're running a general store, a household niche store, think about these two. 3D fluorescent board. If you're running a toy niche store or general store, you definitely can't miss out on these products. It's a magic board when you draw on the board in the dark, and you will see a luminous effect on your drawing. Fluorescent board and a pen can be sold as a combo or separately. I do recommend you sell it as a kit for a higher profit. Plus, we currently have a discount on the combo for A3 size board and two light pens. The previous price is $2.49 and the current price is $1.74. With 270 units in stock, you won't have to worry about the situation like receiving orders after advertising and then the product is out of stock due to the Chinese New Year. Multifunction electronic water exchange. This product comes with all English package and instruction printed on the side. Simple to use, just connect all the tube as instruction shows and connect the power. By press the start button, the machine will wash sand, purify water, and drain the fish poops and the dirt from the outside directly at the same time. It is suitable for both fresh water and seawater. Three kinds of adapters are available for British, American, and European voltage. The product price is $9.50 and the total dropshipping price is $26.74 to the USA by CJ Packet sensitive. It currently has 197 units in stock. That's all about today's video of 9 creative, trendy, locally stocked products for you to sell during the factory closures. If you didn't prepare any inventories or just start your dropshipping business, I hope these products will help you out. Looking for more locally stored trendy products? Why not check out our global warehouses or contact our agent for more locally stored products in China warehouses. Smash the like to show your love and subscribe to our channel CJ Dropshipping. Share it on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest with your friends. Thank you for watching it and have a nice day. Bye!